Video first time, this is Abhishek from the Study Metro, and I would like to tell you that Study Metro has started their journey 10 years before, and we are in this industry from the long time and working very hard as an Indian based company to help the students, help the universities, and helping our partners to work with us to recruit the quality students for our partner universities. I would like to tell you about the white label client portal, which we are helping our partners to build up. Before I start, what is the white portal? I just want to tell you the problem. The problem is right now is that, as you know, the India market is going for the study abroad industry, and we are aiming that by 2023 we are crossing the China also. So India is going to become a number one country where the students go for the higher education is abroad. That meaning is that there are so many international companies like I just name it like Apply Board, Educo, IDP, and Adventures, and Study Portal, Applicar, and there's so many companies nowadays. They're coming down to the India, and they are bringing their portals and connecting all the agents to work with them and all. And it's hilarious sometimes because as a Indian based companies, they have the expertise in this market. They are from the long time, but now they are giving their business to the newcomer companies like this, which I just mentioned. So the problem is that because most of the Indian based companies, they do not have their own portal, which I understand. Because of that, they have to rely on the international companies where they provide them the CRM. They provide how to find the universities and programs and how to add the students and all. So the idea behind the Study Metro, how we can empower the Indian based companies who have the expertise, who have the knowledge, but they do not have a technical experience or might be the technical skills to build up this kind of portal. So as a Study Metro, now we are providing the white label portal where you can put your company logo there, and you can recruit your own students with this portal. So in this white label portal, you can see in your screens, I think you already have the Study Metro portal and might be have used in the past. So Study Metro portal is the one of the largest education portal, where we have captures around 12,000 universities and the 5 lakhs plus programs, and everything is in the cloud. And now the whatever you see the Study Metro portal, the similar way you can see. So I'll just open a one Study Metro portal also, if you did not get a chance to look into it. So in the Study Metro portal, you see the students, you see the applications, you find the universities and programs, you find the groups discussion, so many things you can do that. So similar way, now we are providing the um, white label portal where you can put your own name. So let's say welcome to your company name. So here you can mention, let's say, XYZ, or welcome to the XYZ immigration, or XYZ education, whatever your company name is, you can put it down here. You can also find all the universities and programs which you see in your Study Metro portal. So similar way, all the programs will give it to you here. So you can showcast all the programs information. You do not have to go and again feed up, because everything we have done from the last 3 years we are working, and we collected all those information which is up to date, and we have fixes all the API with the abroad universities, so that we are getting a data on the live basis every day. Similar way, you can find all the university and programs, and for you can have the login access where you can connect with your students. And also, let me just log in and just show it to you. So it looks similar like how the Study Metro portal works. The only difference is that now you do not see the Study Metro logo, you see your own company logo, which make your life easy whenever you are collecting the documents from your students and from your sub agents. So here you see your company logo will come. So company logo here. So here your logo will come down. Also you see all the students applications here. So you can apply to multiple universities if you are adding one student's profile here. Similar way, You can create your own groups where you can broadcast your information, like how the study metro do every day. Whatever the latest information we get, we broadcast to the our partners. You can do that. So this kind of portal can help you to digitalize your company. So do not have to depend on the international based company who just come to you. They do not have that much of experience, but still they got the a bunch funding, and using that funding they are asking you to give your business to them. So here in your own portal, make the market, get more students, work digitally, connect all your counselors, ask them to work from home or might be from mobile and everything. So similar way, like how the study metro is enhancing all our services digitally, we would empower all our partners also, whoever the companies who want that, yeah, they want the beautiful website, they want everything online, they want how they can manage their students and applications and all the inquiries whatever they generate from the digitally and all. You can manage everything in our portal with your company logo, so nobody knows that you are working with somebody else. They know, okay, this is the company which is you have built the portal where they are adding your students, and when you are collecting their documents and submitting to your partner universities and all. So I hope this video help you to understand how this portal work. But still, if you have any question, feel free to contact any of the business development manager in the study metro. Thank you very much.